Now topic is similar triangles 10th class mathematics. In this constructions is very most important. Before going to question, a small information regarding similar triangles that simply in our real life situations, a son of father and son are look like same. So we can say that those are similar. So here size is not important. Just if shape is most probably equal, then we can say that those are similar triangles. Not only father and son, some twins or daughter and mother. Okay, na? So whichever the figures which are look like same shape, those are called similar figures. So whenever coming to triangles, same definition we can give. If two triangles are looking in same shape, so we can say similar triangles. So based on the topic, the question is construct a triangle PQR. PQ equal 4 centimeters, QR equal 6 centimeters, and angle PQR equal 70 degrees. Construct a triangle such that each side is 3 by 4 of triangle PQR. So just now what I have said, if two triangles are look like same, those are called similar triangles. So one of triangle is given PQR with some measurements. First of all, we have to construct this a triangle based on given information. So first I'm going to drawing the triangle. First of all, what is the measurements are given? PQ equal 4 centimeters are given. QR equal 6 centimeters are given. Here angle PQR equal 70 degrees. So first of all, take any one measurement among these two. So I am taking QR equal 6 centimeter. Even you take PQ also you will get. So QR is most better. So what is QR? 6 centimeters I am going to draw first of all. So for your convenience I am taking double units, but in our notebook we can draw 6 centimeters only. So 0 to 6 centimeters. Okay, now this is I am taken as 6 only. So what is this? This is QR. How many centimeters? This is 6 centimeters. The next PQ equal 4 centimeter and the angle PQR equal 70 degrees. Where is the angle PQR? Here. Sorry, here at Q is 70 degrees. P may be on the upper side. So at Q we have to construct 70 degrees. Okay, now with compass we can make the angle, but with protractor it is easy to make the angle 70 degrees. So taking center Q and making this protractor on the line QR and taking the angle how many degrees? 70 degrees. I am taking a dot. Okay, now 70 degrees from R. So next I am going to join these two sides. So this is 70 degrees. Okay, na? Okay. The next category, what is the remaining? PQ equal to 4 centimeters. So on the upside we get P. So from Q we have to take 4 centimeters. So on the scale we should take 4 centimeters from 0 to 4. So here a small change only on the board, that is instead of 4 I am taking double 8, but you have to take 4 only. So 4 centimeters I am taking with the help of compass, drawing an arc, taking center Q. So this is taken as P. So the next level, join this PR. Joining P and R. So this is a triangle PQR for the given information. And what is asking, after constructing this triangle, we have to draw a similar triangle to this PQR with the sides should be 3 by 4. So is it 3 by 4 less than 1 or greater than 1? It is less than 1. Okay, when the denominator is more, the value becomes less than 1. So our new triangle will be less than the previous PQR triangle. So we have to construct a triangle which should be less than the given PQR and which should be similar to PQR. So how we can draw? So this is very most important. First of all, I'm drawing a ray with some acute angle with R, Q, some X. I'm drawing a ray. Let us take X, for example, QX, some ray with any angle. It should be acute, means less than 90. It should be. Okay, now you can take like here, like this, in this, or like R. Okay, now it should not be more than 90. It should be below 90. That is our wish. However, we can take. So next, we have to divide this ray into some equal parts. But how many equal parts? 4 equal parts we have to divide the ray. So with the help of compass, taking some radius, that is also our wish. How much means that is our wish. So taking some radius and drawing arc 1, next arc 2, next arc 3, next arc 4. Sorry, this is not writing. Okay, with compass we have to draw like this. This is taking as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, now? So the next, join Q4 and R. So this is the Q4 and R is the required triangle. After joining this Q4R, with the help of this bottom triangle, we should construct an internal triangle that should be 3 by 4 times the previous triangle. So how can we draw? We have to join Q3 to a line. It should be intersect to QR. So to intersect, we have to draw a parallel line to Q4R from Q3. From Q4R, we have to draw a parallel line that should be drawn from Q3. So how can we make? Just simply. So in 2 ways we can draw. With the compass also we can draw. It's a new technique to draw parallel line. Okay, so I have to draw parallel line to this Q4R from Q3. Yes, it is it Q3. Yes, here Q3 appearing. So this is a parallel line from Q4R to from Q3. So here the intersecting QR is I am taking as R dash. Okay, now similarly draw a parallel line from R dash to side QP to PR. So this is parallel line PR. This is a line PR. So I'm going to construct a parallel line PR2 drawn from R dash. Yes. Okay. Is it appearing? From R dash to bottom. So I'm joining. I'm extending this line up to QP, taking as P dash. Now our required triangle is P dash Q R dash is the required triangle of given triangle PQR. So similarly, same or not? Both are similar. So we can check whether it is right or not. From Q to R is 6 cm. From Q to R is 6 cm. So what about QR dash? QR dash must be 3 by 4 times 6. So 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. 3 3 ja 9 by 2 means 4.5. So is it 4.5 or not? You can check. If it is 4.5, your diagram is right. Okay, na? So this is a similar triangle. Now, which is similar triangle? So construction is most important topic. Okay, na? So just one, it is 6 centimeters, and QR dash becomes 4.5 centimeter from the figure or diagram, and QR dash is equal 6 into 3 by 4. So 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, it is 9 by 2 means 4.5. Okay, na? According to given 3 by 4 with 6. So if both are same, therefore triangle P dash QR dash is similar triangle to triangle PQR with the sides, with each sides 3 by 4 times is the solution. Is it clear? Okay, now what we have done, first of all I have taken QR 6 centimeters, next to make an angle 70 degrees at Q, make an angle 70 degrees with the protractor. Okay, na? With protractor 70 degrees, and join this line. This is taken as some X, okay, na? Or some A, for example. However, we can write anything. Next, after getting QP is taking 4 centimeter, QP taken 4 centimeters. Next, joined PR. So then PQR triangle is constructed. Next, I have drawn a ray with some acute angle at Q. Okay, na? That is our wish. Next, draw 1, 2, 3, 4 arcs with equal radius, with equal distance. Next, taking those points taken as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Next, I have joined Q4 and R. So the required triangle must be less than 1. So it must be between. So from Q3 R dash, draw a parallel line to Q4R. And similarly to PR, draw a parallel line R dash P dash. So then P dash Q R dash is the required triangle. So this is the solution. Then and more things, we have to write construction steps also. So what I told, those are the steps. Means in the first step, draw a line segment QR equals 6 centimeters. Next, at Q, make an angle 70 degrees. Then next, on ray QA, take 4 centimeters arc. That intersecting point is P. Okay. Next point, join PR. Next point, triangle PQR is constructed. Next point. So step by step, just I am saying, you can make the notes. And next, draw a ray QX with some acute angle at Q or at RQX. Next, draw with same radii an arcs Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 such that Q1 equal, Q1, Q2 equal, Q2, Q3 equal, Q3, Q4. Next step, join Q4R. Okay. Next step, draw a parallel line Q4R to Q3R dash. Next step, draw a parallel line draw a parallel line from R dash to P dash to PR. Then triangle P dash QR dash is constructed. That is the required triangle. We can check whether it is right or wrong by measuring the distance QR dash. You will get 4.5 centimeters. And is it 4.5 correct or not? To check, multiply 6 means QR is 6. So multiply 6 with 3 by 4. You will get 4.5. Both are same answers. So our drawing construction is perfect. This is the question taken from last March 19th question. So, however, if it is less than 1, we should draw less than given triangle. If it is more than 1, we have to take more than given triangle. Okay now? I will give you some 2 questions based on this less than 1 type. Next I will explain about more than 1 category. Pass.